Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ribbon croissant. Start by mixing a strong dough and chill it until firm. Roll and fold with cold butter to create multiple laminated layers. Cut strips and weave or ribbon them for a decorative finish. Proof gently until puffy but not overproofed. Bake until golden brown and fully set inside, then cool briefly before enjoying warm pieces. Make a slightly sticky dough with flour, yeast, sugar, salt, milk, and water, then chill until cool. Prepare a butter block that is firm but malleable and square to fit the dough. Encase the butter and perform 3 to 4 letter folds for clear layers, always chilling between turns. Keep everything cold and handle gently to prevent butter melting into the dough, which can ruin the ribbon effect. Roll the laminated dough to a consistent thickness and cut long strips for ribbon weaving. Weave or twist 2 or 3 strips together, then shape into individual croissants, making sure ends are sealed. Proof at a cool, steady temperature until puffy but not doubled, then egg wash for shine. Bake on a hot sheet for a crisp exterior and tender layers inside, then cool briefly on a rack before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.